December Snack Crate.
Let's see what's inside.
Welcome back, Fluffy Foodies, and it is December, and we got a snack crate. One of the favorite things me and Isabel like doing on this channel is doing boxes, food boxes. We've done Universal Yums. I think this is our first snack crate. So we're going to see what's in snack crate for December 2023. Let's open this up and see what's inside. It is fully loaded because I had to take a thumbnail. I didn't really look at what's in here, but let's see what we got first. We got Happy Holidays, 'tis the season. Our holiday crates are packed with seasonal goodies in 7 countries. We did not get the holiday crate because if it was the holiday crate, it would be the green crate. Yeah. We got Hello Poland. We were in Poland. We are extremely Polish. I got a lot of Polish in me. She's got Polish in me. So let's try some stuff from our ancestors, which is Poland. Poland, nestled in the heart of Europe, Poland is a captivating country that boasts a diverse landscape from pristine beaches along the Baltic Sea to stunning Tatry Mountains in the south. Population 41 million, capital Warsaw, area 120,421 miles, and Polish is the language. And you got a bunch of other stuff. It's going to talk about what's in the box and so forth. I'm going to use this to figure out what certain items are if it doesn't really tell us the name or what's in it. So we're going to start with the first item that's in this list, and it's paprika chips. Lay's paprika, the famous Lay's crisp we all love, flavored with the perfect blend of savory, smoky paprika flavor. It's a mini bag.
It's going to be delicious.
Let's try it. Want to smell?
Oh, yeah. It smells delicious.
Oh. I was iffy about this, but it's good.
Yeah.
Definitely sweet and savory. Not hot, not spicy. All right, from out of 10, 10 being the best, 1 being nasty. I'm gonna give this a 6. You can't give anything 10. That's a 6.
It's a 10.
10. Next, we're gonna try. It's called a Wauregan chocolate bar. This famous Polish chocolate bar featuring luscious caramel coated in milk chocolate will have you screaming, "Holy cow!" So one thing you've learned today is I'm over not 50, but more than a quarter. So I'll say about a third Polish from my mother's side. All right. This is what it looks like. Dip it. Dip it. And sink it. Mmm.
It's so good.
It's very creamy.
Oh.
I'm not a big caramel person, but wow. 8 out of 10 for me. What do you think?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
All
right. Next we have, it's called a Kopernik Kotzonowski. I'm sorry if I pronounce this way off. Kopernik Kotzonowski. Named after the Polish astronauts, the Kopernik bakery produced the best gingerbread in Poland. These gingerbread, paniki in Polish, affectionately named kazakini, are common holiday tradition. So it's like a gingerbread cookie.
Yeah, gingerbread cookie.
I'm a little nervous because I'm not a big gingerbread fan, so we shall see.
That tastes delicious.
Wow, this is soft. It's like a soft cookie.
It looks like a dog bone.
It does. Definitely smells like a gingerbread cookie.
It's so crunch, so soft for eating it.
Not a big fan of texture.
It's delicious.
I don't know. I'm getting like a stale vibe out of this.
I'll get a 10 out of 10.
5 from me. I don't know if it's supposed to be that stale. It says next year at 2024, so. Let me take a joke. All right. It's this one. Parnik Ceres. Classic Polish gingerbread treat made with 700 years of old recipe and timeless shape as a holiday snack.
It's another gingerbread.
Another gingerbread. So we're gonna split this. Hopefully this gingerbread's a little, hopefully this one doesn't taste so stale. This one looks frosted compared to the last one. All right. This doesn't get that bad texture as the last one had.
I'll just tell you that.
7 out of 10 because of the frostiness.
Not bad.
No.
That's just going to be
Next we have is Prince Polo Wafer Classic. The most popular wafer bar in Poland, featuring layers of crunchy wafer sandwiched together with chocolate cream, then coated in milk chocolate. So similar to a Kit Kat, I'm assuming?
kind of look like Kit Kat. It's big.
Almost like a wafer cookie too.
It smells just like Kit Kats.
It does smell like Kit Kat.
It's crunchy. Mmm.
You ever had like a wafer cookie? It's like a wafer cookie coated in chocolate. 9 out of 10. Hands down.
10 out of 10.
All right. There's a lot in here. The next one is Princessa Zebra, a friendly rival to famous Prince Polo brand. Layers of rich chocolate wafer sandwich together with sweet milk cream, a perfect combination of milk and chocolate in every single bite. So it's like another wafer chocolate. But this is not coated. This is like the normal wafer cookie I'm used to. It's like a cookies and cream version, is what I'm assuming.
It's very big.
There you go.
It smells crunchy.
I'm getting an extreme cookies and cream vibe.
20 out of 20.
9.5 easily. These zebra ones are, oh my goodness. Oh my, they're good. All right. Juziki Kokos Bar, a crunchy coconut cookie bar coated with caramel, crispy rice, and dipped in chocolate. Tzatziki translated for hedgehog, but don't worry, no hedgehogs were harmed in the process of making this snack. So it looks caramel and coconut.
Crunch. I think there's nuts.
I don't think there's nuts. It's probably a cookie.
I don't like it.
Try again. No?
0 out of 10. Disgusting.
Put it there. I don't think she likes coconut.
Huh?
You might not like coconut.
I don't even love coconut. Disgusting.
Oh, I enjoy coconut. 9 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Now we got the big ones.
Cookies!
This is called a Cooping Waffle Rosal. I'm pronouncing these way off. Crispy rice waffle coated in a layer of decadent Polish milk chocolate. A sweet mix of crunch and chocolate that will leave your taste buds craving more.
I still taste the coconut.
Coconut is a strong.
Yeah, it's just this.
So
Oh,
this is like
that's so big.
this looks like a chocolate coated rice cake to me.
We gotta say some.
See, look at the bottom. No, we got 2 more now. Look, it literally looks like a chocolate coated rice cake.
Zero out of 10.
I like it. But it's a 5.
I only like the chocolate, not this part. Next.
I don't know. All right.
I hope it's not going to be something bad next.
All right.
We're almost done, guys. Oh,
No, we don't have everything that's in this.
I know.
So I'm guessing if we would have got a bigger box, we would have got the other items that are beyond this point. So we got 3 more items, and then there's more after this. So if we would have got a bigger box, we probably would have got everything else that's in here.
But that's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. It would have came with like a drink and stuff. But the next one is Patsy Mleczeko, one of the most traditional chocolate bars in Poland. It consists of a soft marshmallow-like vanilla filling covered in dark chocolate. Peel off the chocolate with your mouth and finish with the eating the filling.
Ooh. I like the eating the filling.
The only thing is I don't like...
Excuse me.
So the chocolate does come off very easily.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a big dark chocolate, so I'm only going to take a small
I don't
bite.
even like dark chocolates.
Wow. That filling tastes literally just like ice cream.
0 out of 10.
I'm going to give it a 6. All right, we got 2 more.
Yeah. Pretzels.
They look like pretzels. Are they pretzels? Paluski Bakanu. Delight in a crunchy bacon-infused pretzel stick. Perfect for frosty. Bacon?
I thought that was pretzel.
It's bacon-infused pretzels.
I want to take one. 10 out of 10.
I don't take... There it is. I was about to say, I don't taste the bacon. But now I do. 8 out of 10. Literally tastes like bacon.
Last one.
Alright, this is the last one. Sazakami Aha Bar. Oh snap, a Polish treat known as a sesame snap with sesame and glucose rolled in a thin wafer. Alright, we're a split bowl.
Oh man. I hope it's not gross.
Tastes like peanuts. It's good. Tastes like peanuts. So if I would have got the bigger box, you could have got
Cheetos.
Croco chicken chips, Delushi Wed Love Malao, Cheeto Spirals, Kawaki,
Jelly beans.
Mambo Magic Stick, Choco Jello Candies, Weedle's Espresso Bar, Pazaki Bar, Gobla Grozowski, Prince Polo Extra Large, Zozaki Nawazak, a Bantin Paranaki, and a drink is an Orazonda Oregana Smock. That's the drink. So, which one's your favorite out of all these? The chips? I'm gonna have to say, out of all of these, I really like the Prince. The Princess, like cookies and cream wafer. That's one of my favorites. But that's what we got for this month's Hello Poland Snack Crate for December. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified for the next.
Maybe we're gonna get the next box with the bigger.
Yes, maybe next. Tune in for next month, and we'll see what the next one is, because we have at least the next 6 months. We got snack crates coming in, so definitely subscribe for more snack boxes. Or if you want to see food challenges, food reviews, mukbangs, or even some chugs here and there. As always, today's a good day.
Have
a great day. God bless. Bye.